Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. So this is Zach here from XIFU. Just if you are here with me, just let me know if my sound and screen's coming okay by typing a one for me. So again, appreciate if you can hit the like buttons for me as well. To continue to support this live Facebook every morning. All right. So again, a quick disclaimer. Just want to let you know that this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on our discussion this morning, make sure you got your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Now, market remains to be for me weak, not bullish. So again, things that going up well, again it dropped. Okay, like for example, Aon this morning. Okay, come with a gap down. I think they got released some quarters result, if not mistaken. And then of course some of the TP from analysts. I think that they often cover it as well. But unfortunately, it didn't go well, right? So sometimes this is what happens in the overall market. So we will start with FBM KLCI first. Look into the overall direction. Yesterday it dropped actually because of I think after lunch most of the bank dropped and started to do a pullback. Okay, so this is causing again markets KLCI to react as well. So like I said, currently even though if you look into the overall market condition, it looks like very bullish, but it's only driven by purely by one sector itself, which is the financial services, and it's driven by the few bank as well. Okay, so it didn't really reflect the overall market. Like small cap, mid cap, actually they are still in a very big trends currently. So if you look into like mid cap, small cap, even some other sectors, well, they are actually having inverse pullback. So make sure you want to be careful. Like I say in the Telegram as well, some of the members do ask me. I don't really trade any stock for a couple of I think 2 to 3 weeks already. Yes, Malakoff I do entered, but it's on top up. Okay, like I said, Malakoff BLB, if let's say they do a nice pullback, I will consider for top up, which I did for Malakoff. VLB also doing a pullback right now, but I was waiting for maybe a nice hammer candle for me to do a decision whether I want to top up or not. Okay, now this is overall for KLCI. Let's look into some of the KLCI indices. Okay, we got industrial. I think mostly is the same lah. Again, careful lah. I think this is an inverse pullback patterns already. Okay, so here goes up, we test AA, then potentially drop the over one. Morning, Tommy. Good morning. So do let me know if you are here with me. Type a one for me so that I know you are here. So okay, now let's get into technology. Technology drop lower very bad. I think few reasons why. Of course, it's also impacted by the ringgit as well. Most of the tech company they are relying on the USD and ringgit. So now ringgit is strengthening already. Mostly been impacted as well. Okay, so yes, there will be a deep corrections which is currently happening right now. Consumer also didn't manage to hold on the gaps very well. Okay, and like I said, I would feel they will continue to retest. Okay, lower. Okay, so this is again like I say, this is like a so-called inverse pullback patterns, which is I think you have to be careful. Okay, now against one green candle here doesn't mean it's rebound. Sometimes I saw Telegram law people say that hey, green candle coming ready. Okay, now downtrend, uptrend also got red and green candle, right or not? Like for example, over here, going up, sometimes we will see also red candle, we will see red candle. Okay, it still goes up. Okay, downtrend also the same things. Downtrend sometimes we also will see green candle, which is pretty normal, but doesn't mean that it will reverse. Okay, unless there are those that who want to enter the market, take the 3 to 5% profit, then you go. Okay, I think that makes sense. But if you want to buy and purely hold for another ride, I think currently it's not a good timing. Again, do your own study. Don't take my words and apply accordingly. Well, you need to do a little bit of back test and some chart reading on the past history as well. So like I say, construction is one example. If you look into here, right, normally if let's say they cannot break through this gap, for me is not a very good sign. Okay, or maybe they goes already, they drop back. It's also a good bad sign. Okay, because potentially it will drop lower. Okay, so hopefully mostly of them they are holding well above this support level, but technology definitely not already. Okay, breaking lower. Well, I think currently right now is only financial still boleh lah. Yes, it started to do pullback, but it's still in uptrend. Okay, so maybe it will hit here 19,000s, okay, or maybe around 20 MA areas to have a healthy pullbacks coming in. Plantation is the one that actually still like sideways saja. Okay, but they have been doing this for a year plus already lah. Okay, they have been doing this since this the big drop here. Okay, and then sideways, sideways, sideways. Okay, so yep, if you want to maybe focus, next one probably is plantation. It didn't really impact a lot. Okay, maybe they're waiting for a time for them to um, make some movement moving forward. Okay, again, we're not sure. Okay, do let me know any stock that you are looking into right now. Like I say this morning, yesterday, even this week, this whole week, I got nothing much for you all. Huh? Just continue to monitor the market. Look for some stocks that so-called got potential one. Then we put it into our watch list. That's what we do right now. Okay, and yeah, to be frank with you, I got nothing much. Unless you got something for me. Okay, then you let me know. Okay, so that we can actually study together. My pullback list also, I think today nothing much lah. Let's start with few lah. Okay, I'll look into Grace one later on. Okay, so Xinghin week one, nothing much here. SKP yesterday strong closing. Okay, but I still not really like that. Okay, it's strong closing, volume is increasing, but it's not the highest. Okay, so never mind. Okay, so sometimes they will trick you, but I think Gamuda also the same thing also. Okay, Baraka okay, sorry Euro okay lah, but hey, Baraka coming. But all this currently is penny stock lah. Oh, you takut lah now mind penny stock, this kind of market. But Euro the pattern is not bad. Okay, we look into patterns. You want to trade, don't want to trade, up to you. Again, I'm not doing any buy call. I just purely looking into the setups. Setup wise got shake out. Okay, this one holding ball. So right now they are very close already to the resistance, but this is a penny counters. So again, if you want to trade, yeah, make sure you know what you are doing right now. Okay. So okay, maybe I go to Grace counter first. Okay, then we look back into my pullback counters. Okay, currently nothing much. Asiata. Okay, let's turn to Asiata. I didn't really follow Asiata one. Okay, has been ranging for years already. Okay, what's your TP for TMB? Wow, I forgot already though. I think early this year one, somewhere around. Early this year or somewhere end of last year. I think around 7 something, if not mistaken. Later I check. I cannot record the price, but most of the time I record the chart patterns. Okay, we'll check that later on. Okay, so now I'm not sure you're looking for long-term, short-terms, all right? But okay, long-term wise is sideways, okay, sideways saja. But short-term wise, this is a short-term, so-called a short-term reversal. Okay, it break this so-called short-term downtrend line. Okay, cross, retest, break. Okay, so of course, if you want to have a safer one, like Kuskapi, sometimes they will retest somewhere around this level here before they continue up again. So yes, you might want to probably somewhere around here is good for you to aim 2.80. Okay, and maybe somewhere around here is good for you to aim as a potential support level. Short term, yes. Okay, short term, let's say you want to ride for a little bit of momentum, because currently they're just about to change the trend a little bit on short term. Okay, but long term wise, not sure if you're looking for long term or short term. But long term wise, this guy is just sideways lah. But macam downtrending or sideways downtrending lah. Okay, so again, maybe if let's say it reached 2.8 just on the level, right? You probably want to lock some profit first. Okay. So okay, now let's look into LPI. Okay, today got more questions. Thank you. Thank you. If not, past few days ago, very quiet on everyone's. Also boring. Market also boring. Okay, now this LPI here, I'm not sure why, but I didn't follow LPI. It's keep going up. Okay, in this big market, looks okay, right? Looks okay, but again, this is a very so-called far away from 20 MA. So I'm not sure, Grace, you're looking for entry, exit. Exit wise, yes, I think it's good to lock some profits. Every time far away from 20 MA, and also here very close with the main resistance. Okay, again, looking back into weekly chart, this is again long-term counters. Okay, this is a good area for us to consider to lock some profit because it hit the main resistance. Okay, now if you're looking for long term, Long term, if let's say for again, I'm not sure looking for entry exit. We just look into the chart itself, right? This is a reaccumulation, long term reaccumulation. This is back to 2018, 6 year. Okay, 6 year reaccumulation. Okay, so here we got something like VCP building up. Okay, so in other words, it's a good setup for long term. Okay, but I'm not sure it will be like this or not. Later here reject, then they will do another round again. Okay, so now sometimes here to here, this is when this is January 2022. Now it's 2024. Sometimes it can take 1.5 year, 2 years, okay, to complete this whole cycle. This is a big one, so this is definitely is longer. This is September, September 2018 to 2012, 2022, sorry. Okay, so again here to here, 4 years, almost 4 years. Okay, so while if let's say they rejected, do another round of so-called retest again, it probably take years one. So long term, I think yes, suitable. Okay, but I'm not sure long term is how long. Some long term can be 3 years one, sometimes can be 6 years one. Like for example, this case. Okay, for me long term is 1 year plus. Anything above 2 years, I also cannot tahan one sometimes. Okay, so yes, long term chart wise is good. Okay, long term chart wise is good. So okay, now sim prop definitely not so good. Okay, so I think SPC also break lower already. Okay, now this one for me is a bit dangerous and tricky. Okay, now all this insider buy and sell didn't provide me information because it's mostly is I think it's EPF so just close it first. I don't have much information here. Okay, a few things. First, rejected from gaps, drop high volume. Against today is upbar, but don't get overly excited on upbar itself. Okay, you need to look into volume because upbar, uptrend, downtrend got upbar and downbar one. Okay, so for example here, going up, also got downbar, right? Also got downbar, right? Also got downbar, right? Okay, so but doesn't mean it will go down. It still goes up. But here looks like some change of trends coming. Okay, so if you really want to, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. If you enter already, you want to focus on certain support. Here's your main support. Drop here, I think it's bad. Okay, drop here, I think it's bad. Currently, it's not. If you're looking for entry, currently I can say the setup is not there yet. Okay, so if I can give you an example. Especially, I think it's caused by SPC as well, regarding the UK project, right? So here, same things. Okay, here it looks like got a green candles. Here got some green candles. I still remember I saw Telegram say, hey, this one coming back already, but no. Okay, because you notice the volume is extremely low. So if you are trading in this kind of counters, during up bar is a good time for you to watch out because if the up bar, okay, come with low volume and the spread is very narrow, again, it's not a good sign. Okay, it's not a good sign. So if let's say break this S1 here, yes, it will drop lower. Okay, so Simprop probably you want to watch as well. I think YTL also probably having the same things too. Okay, probably I'm not sure. So okay, now let's turn to Tenaga again. Tenaga, if you ask me what's my entry, I think I forgot already. Somewhere, I think somewhere around here before they break this resistance one. Yeah lah. Somewhere 8 ringgit, I think around 8 ringgit something. 8 ringgit something. Okay, it's my entry. Like I said, I already sold half already when it hits 12 ringgit at the resistance previously. Now it's still I still holding saja lah because got profit already and not much also. I just hold only. So unless they make a, let's say weekly, because now I focus more on Malakoff. I focus more on Malakoff already. Unless they make a deep pullback, so probably I will consider for top one. If not, okay, I just hold for now. Okay, let's do into a tag. Oh, I have to ask. Yeah, tell me you are looking for entry exit. Entry wise, again, I say no. Entry wise, I say no. Okay. Now, again, I'm not sure what is your plan, what is your potential strategy you are looking into. Okay, because sometimes I say no, but the like for example, my PST, my members, sometimes I say this is downtrending, I know. But a few days later, they come and told me, hey, Zach, you say no, but this guy goes up. Okay, so yes, stock will goes up in downtrend also. Okay, so do remember that. So again, if you are looking for short term, okay, this is for Eiling, right? If you're looking for short term, just that you say that, oh, Zach, I just want to focus 5%. Okay, I think okay can monitor. But if let's say you want to buy and hold until it goes back here, currently it's not a good time yet. Probably it will go a little bit lower. Okay, so a few reasons why. Because first, we do have inverse pullback, break against support. I don't see high volume. I don't see any sign of reversal yet. Again, if you want to, you watch out for today. Today is up bar, like I said just now. This is a good timing to watch out for up bar, because why up bar, it will give you information whether the reversal is coming or probably it is a continuation downtrend. All right. So currently I only got around 13, 14 people over here. So I'm not sure anyone of you actually attended the pullback course on July, if I'm mistaken. If yes, type 1, if not, type 2. Anyone here actually attended the pullback course on July that we conducted? If yes, type 1, if not, type 2. Okay, so in the pullback course, remember I mentioned that the difference between cumulative volume and low volume. Okay, cumulative volume, it means that you have chance. Okay, thank you, Eileen, for the reply. You have a chance to make some change of trend. Okay, but low volume, it means that there is a potential continuation of trend. Okay, so this is the period that you want to watch out whether got any high volume or maybe some low volume, in this period here. So if let's say volume remains to be like this, okay, this is for me average volume. Okay, so didn't really impact it much. Okay, like for example, SP Satya and Sun Prop. Okay, the reasons why I avoid these two, because the cumulative volume down bar coming already. So anytime it will change the trend. SP Satya already change. Sun Prop, I'm not sure. Okay, so if let's say break the support, it's confirmation already. So normally from top, the high volume one, tends to be more careful. All right, so yeah, something that you probably want to watch out. Okay, so if you want, probably next month September, I will consider again to do another one, the pullback things. Okay, but now no pullback, but inverse pullback. Okay, so if you're interested, you can join us. So what REITs is good for long-term dividend and capital gain? Wow, Grace, this one I cannot answer you. Personally, for me, I don't really into REITs right now. Okay, and dividend for me, I'm not really aim for dividend also. Now, for me, what I do is that for long terms, I always look for a stocks that with a base building accumulation, then they make a breakout from the accumulation. Okay, so usually I aim for capital gains. What I'm trying to say. Okay, dividend is something that okay maybe got is bonus. So REITs, sorry I cannot really help you. I'm not really into REITs. Okay, now let's look for the others. A-Tech definitely for me, no setups. Okay, no setups. So let's into GCB. GCB, I didn't follow for some time, but if I can recall correctly, it's good. He also dropped already. Okay, let's go into weekly chart. I remember GCB, not bad one. Oh, okay. Did pull back right now. This way is high volume. Okay. So, okay. Let's go back to daily. Okay, now let's say some high volume coming in. Normally it's not a good sign already. Break below support. Okay, again, not sure you're looking for entry exit. This is Stormy. Not sure you're looking for entry exit, but I think potentially they might test lower. Okay, so like I said, it may retest here again to 3 ringgits 35 cents. Okay, which is the very close with the resistance level before they continue again from here. So if you want to try to write a short terms, okay, up to you. Maybe okay, right? But the overall short term trend is not there. Okay, short term trend is not there. So if I look into weekly chart also, okay, actually weekly chart is not bad, but just that maybe let them retest the 40 MA first, okay, because this week is a high volume week. Okay, this week is a high volume week, so need to be extra more careful on that. Okay, still holding. Okay, still holding. So if you are holding for long term, I think okay, but maybe okay, it will retest somewhere around here again. Okay, the 40 MA areas. Okay, the 40 MA areas. Now, if this one like this make a hammer, but maybe I'm interested also. Okay, but just that this week high volume, so I want to see how the candle react, okay, after this high volume, okay, which is probably I need to wait for another 2 to 3 weeks from now to see based on the weekly chart. So now high volume, what I do, you're not sure what is the so-called bullish or bearish candle. You wait for a few days, then you know the what it means, okay, by these high volume candles. Okay, sometimes can be later one, can be after a week. So all these things probably require a little bit of so-called patience. Okay, so for example, if I can share with you, this is few of the very good example. Like for example here, volume, right? Okay, this one, all this one is downtrending, downtrend, got high volume already. This is few things that actually you can watch out. Is there any sign to tell you that there's any change of direction or not? Okay, so sometimes can be later, can be more than few months. Okay, depending on the time frame you're looking into. So okay, let's look for the others. PP. Oh, wait, sorry, YTL. YTL also got some change of trend already. I'm afraid. Okay, this one it didn't hold this one. So again, not a good sign. Okay, but luckily it didn't come with some climatic volume. This one I have to use weekly already because they've been riding for some times. Okay, break 40 MA is not good. Okay, break 40 MA is not good. Okay, break 40 MA. Again, today is Friday, crucial. Hopefully, it will try to reverse back a bit. Hold well on 40 MA. If let's say drop below, I think potentially it will probably retest somewhere around here. This is how much? This is 2 ringgit 50 cents AB. 2 ringgit 60 cents AB. Okay, maybe they'll retest somewhere around here. Okay, that's for long-term trend. Okay, because again, is I think this one do make sense. Okay, because why this one have been going up for some time already. Imagine this is from when? This is from around 50 cents, from here to almost 4 ringgit. So they makes a lot of flows already. So yes, a big reaccumulation definitely will happen. Maybe sometimes they make a wash, pushing it back, wash, pushing it back. Like with CP, that just now I think one of the counters LPI. Sometimes it takes like 1 year plus, to complete the cycle. Okay, because this is a big run. Okay, normally big run, when they started to do reaccumulation, the first wave is a big wave. Okay, probably from top to here it will drop badly and recover. Okay, so if you are long term for YTL, I think you have to be prepared for that. Okay, so short term wise, let's do into daily. Again, like I say, today is a good day. Okay, today is a good day for you to watch out. Okay, is the reversal ready or not? Okay, why? Up bar, okay, we have down bar for how many days already? 7, 8 days, easily. Okay, so if today green bar, low volume, narrow spread, it's not ready. This is just a normal technical rebound or a normal reaction for the market. Everything goes up must have down one. Okay, 3 bar up, 2 bar down, or 3 bars down, 1 bar up. So this is normal. Okay, so uh, again, it must provide patterns. Okay, so here maybe they will goes up, test around 3 ringgit, and then retest back to support, or maybe even go lower. Okay, so today you watch out volume. Again, not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, not sure you're looking for entry exit. But if you are looking for entry right now, again for me it's not a so-called a good timing to look into. Okay, so Papa Jack. Okay, again, don't let me stop you lah. Sometimes if you are looking for something that because of long term, yes, yeah, you can go for it. Okay, so okay, now Papa Jack, also long period accumulation. Okay, so again, this is some things that probably I'd like to highlight again just now what I mentioned. So for example, like Papa Jack, right, from the base around 50 cents shoot up to 1 ringgit. This is 100%. Like YTR is even crazy, 50 cents, 40 cents, 4 ringgits. Okay, so this was sometimes when this happen, right, they tends to have a so-called long period of reaccumulation. Okay, so because YTL, those like YTL, they have moved a lot already. So sometimes this first wave, right, will be deeper one. Okay, because why people take profits, or maybe they need to remove certain people out from the market before they got chance to push up higher later on. Okay, so against Kelvin, you are looking for Papa Jack. I can say it's a side reaccumulation. They are still holding in above the support, very strong. Okay, but again boring lah. Okay, this one is a boring counter sign. So if you are those that got patient one, you say okay, I don't mind hold, then I think it's okay for Papa Jack. So okay, now let's turn to my Chrome. Wow, okay, I don't like this kind of candle. Especially when they break certain resistance. You see this kind of candle, I don't like it. This one remind me of previously Epicon. That's why I troubled early. Epicon. I didn't follow already since then. So okay, here break resistance, right? Okay, now this is what we call false breakout. Like similar here. Okay, we got one also. Notice here shooting star, false breakout. Okay, it goes up. You thought that the bullish coming already, but it gives you one bar down. Okay, silence coming. And I hate it when it comes with high volumes. Okay, so here's another one, but this one it didn't break through lah. So notice here high volume. So most of the time this one happen, right? Idea is that they retest support or they do a deeper wash. Okay, they'll go way lower, then they push up again. Okay, so similar like here, it looks like breaks out, but it dropped back to this zone. Now you know this is false breakout, and this one comes with high volume. Okay, so I'm not sure what's your plan, but expect retest support. Let's see where's the support now. Let's go back to weekly chart. Okay, support I think somewhere around here, 20 cents. So maybe the next support, I think they will go to test this level. Okay, sometimes serious one, like I say, it will go lower to do shakeout. Okay, they'll do shakeout. Okay, maybe I think because here is high volume selling. Okay, normally I saw false breakout. I don't really like that one, especially the volume is very, very high. Okay, shakeout I think is fine. Sometimes yes, you need to hold for a while, but don't come with high volume. Come with high volume, okay, you know, it's going to a bit deep one. Okay, it looks like lots of profit taking, probably have to wait. Okay, so let's look into the next one. Okay, any other counters, let me know. Hong Leong Bank looking for entry. Okay, Hong Leong Bank. KGB also are not nice already. KGB. This is for Ruku. Actually, last few weeks ago, I was planning to enter KGB because it closed gap, but after that it dropped below gaps. Like Gamuda, it closed gap already, but it dropped lower. So something that I don't really like it. So okay, entry price. Wow, now Jalan already like this. You're looking for entry price, Okay, market currently still pretty volatile. Okay, so what I can say is that safer one, you look for somewhere around 20 ringgit area. Safer one. Okay. But if you think that Zach 20 ringgit to now 21 ringgit is only 1 ringgit different, 5% is okay. All right, you can go for it. But for me, I prefer somewhere around safer area. Okay. Now this one is not bad. Hopefully it won't like micro suddenly go false breakout but this volume is pretty good. Okay, this volume is pretty good. So here, okay, notice here hits high volume. Okay, we test back support, shake out. Okay, shake out, break. Volume is good. Okay, fantastic. Okay, overall setup for long term good. Okay, because they break above the reaccumulation. Just that you are willing to wait for the pullback or not. But again, don't ask me whether pullback will happen or not. Sometimes market's crazy when it goes up. But if you ask me, I will wait maybe in between 20 ringgit to 21 ringgit. Okay, ask yourself how many risks you're willing to take. This is the question that I always ask. If I think that I enter here, drop back to support, I cut loss is fine, then okay, I'm good. Okay, but if you want to know about setups, I think setup is good. Entry price, I cannot advise you. Okay, entry price you based on your own so-called your risk or your risk appetite. Okay, so all right, let's look into the next one, KGB. Okay, KGB for entry. Okay, for entry. Wow. Okay. You ask me. Not so nice. Okay, now this is the resistance that I draw. I'm not sure when I draw already. Okay, break support, something's not good. Okay, but yesterday high volume hammer. Okay, maybe got chance. Okay, but Again, if let's say they cannot break back this level, this is 294 or 295 level, I will still think that it's big. Okay, I will still think it's big. Okay, or maybe sometimes what they do is that they will test the 20 MA and then drop again. Something you have to bear in mind also. Okay, so what you do if let's say you're really keen interested, this hammer here will serve as a support. So which means if let's say it goes up, drop, okay, 270 is your cut loss point. Okay, 270 is your cut loss point. This is for short term lah. For me right now, I will avoid. Okay, now looking for longer time frame, looks like they are hitting the 20 MA, 40 MA already. Sorry. So again, this is also a big run counters. 1 ringgit 50 cents to 3 ringgit 50 cents. Okay, also a big run already. So if you want to, okay, you can. Personally, what I do is that I'll wait for this week to close, wait for another few more weeks to ensure that they are holding above this hammer. If they don't hold above hammer, I will avoid. Okay. So again, a good example, I think PST doing last month the wash, right? Sorry, early this month. Okay, the wash, right? A lot of stock forming hammer. I was quite excited actually, but in the end they don't hold. Okay. Now this is one example. Hammer. Okay, but you notice the price don't hold. Okay, this one next week, the following week it didn't hold already. So you know that okay, it's not ready yet. Okay, maybe there's no reversal yet. Okay, so if you understand this type 1 for me, please. If not, type 2. So this is how sometimes I will combine weekly, daily, okay, to further to see what is the overall condition looks like. Okay, like I said, maybe sometimes short term it will rebound a lot, but sometimes I don't know what is your objective, right? Some people look at the market, maybe want to aim for 2 to 3%. Some people want to buy whole, aim for 30%. Okay, so yeah, you have to see what is your strategy. Okay, now probably look for BCB. Okay, last one before we close, or maybe I look for my pullback. Okay, thank you, Ruku. Oh, weekly chart already no good already. Okay lah, this one tak payah check up lah. No good lah. I also don't know how to advise. This is risk 1, right? Risk 1, you're looking for entry exit. Okay, now again, same thing with my chroma. Okay, something with my chroma. So when the price drop back to the range, okay, or the break resistance, like Hong Leong also same thing, Grace. If you're aiming for Hong Leong, they break, jatuh back, right? It's not a good sign. Okay, or looking for entry. Okay, looking for entry better a bit lah. At least you're not trapped. Okay lah, or at least you wait for some high volume coming in first. Okay, so far right now I don't see any sign of like a reversal might happen anytime soon. Next support around this area, 30 cents. Previously is illiquid counters. Okay, maybe 30 cents area lah, 30 cent or 32 cents area lah. You might want to focus and see whether got support or not. Okay, 32 cents area lah. Now very close already also, 34 cents. Okay, maybe you want to see whether got support building or not. But right now I don't see that. Okay, and today, but this is the first hour. Today up, but you can see volume extremely low, which means no demand yet. There's no demand yet. Okay. All right, IJM looking for entry. Wait, lots of people now looking for entry. Okay, good thing. Wow. Okay lah, looking for entry is a good thing lah, but don't simply enter yet. Okay. Now, inverse pullback patterns. Okay, inverse pullback patterns. Wow, this one. This one still looking for entry. Okay. Like I said just now, what do I mention just now? Okay, weekly chart, right? Hammer. Okay, but this one don't hold well. Okay, even okay, this week still okay, but this one started to drop lower. Yeah, this week seems like I think getting big. Okay, I think getting again. Don't let me stop you lah. If you really want to enter lah, probably you are looking for FA long term. Okay, but technical wise, I would say it's big. Okay, so here drop, high volume, inverse pullback. The other day they tried to cross but tak jadi, drop back again, false breakout. Now yesterday another gaps. Yesterday gaps is dropped below support. So today no upper high volume, I would say no. Okay, today no upper high volume, I would say. For me, I would say no. For me, I would say no. Okay, but that's for me lah. So yeah, IJM still weak for me. Okay, now let's look into pullback, any counters that we can look into. Okay, Tenaga, nothing much actually. Malakoff, okay, Malakoff. Actually, like I said yesterday, I already exited some. Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay, at least this kind of weak market, I still got a bit profit lah. But Renhill, I having losses in Renhill. Thinking to exit also for Renhill. Okay, Turia, nothing much. This one careful Like okay, again, just a reminder. Uptrend, downtrend got up bar and down bar. Today mostly I know got a green bar, but doesn't mean it will goes up. Okay, so for example here, drop you see got a lot of green bars, right? But doesn't mean it will goes up. Okay, you need to see the volume now. What I'm trying to say, you need to see the volume. If volume remain weak, like I said the other day in the pullback course, low volume continuation. Okay, so low volume is a continuation sign. Okay, SKB shot coming back. Okay, this one high volume. Okay, this one high volume. But will it remain up bar or not towards the end? We don't know. But at least now it's okay Gap up increasing volume Okay, so this one, yes, I would think that I will continue to watch again. The other day I cut loss already. Looks like now they are rebounding. Okay, but I will continue to watch next week. Okay, this is something that I want to see not those low volume. Okay nothing much So with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section here. So if you like my section on this morning daily basis, do remember me to click the like buttons. This is something that I can ask. Okay, then again to help us to grow our communities. As you know, we have Telegram. Join my Telegram. If let's say from daily basis, if I got anything that I think is exciting, I will share in the Telegram. Don't be shy. Also, you can also put some questions into the Telegram, have some discussion, so that we have more so-called interaction, discussion, or sharing informations going on. All right, in the Telegram. So with this, thank you, and I will see you next week. Okay, thank you, Eileen.